All right, my people, we're all ready to hear from the judges. They already judged the matter finish, and I sure say they already conclude the matter as it be. But today hard when two people don't sit down, judge your matter, conclude them. When they won't give you reports, no be here. But we trust, say our contestants, they don't do well. All right, we judges. Okay. When I still they talk for the matter.
You know, her own taste.
Yeah.
You get some kind confusion which you want to create.
Collaboration.
But it no if you confuse me because I didn't
you know what you did do. My sister.
You know, for the taste, I will give her 5.
Okay.
For creativity, I will give her 7.
Okay.
And for presentation, I'm not too.
You know they impressed.
Impressed in the
because
the
matter strong for your mouth.
The presentation itself. Now, as I see the food they come. All the worms for my belly supposed to be core.
Oh, okay.
Before the food reaches this table.
Okay, but for mouth it tastes good.
For the mouth it tastes good. For the eye, I'll give her 5.
All right. So in total, what she don't score with that?
17.
17. Okay, the judges don't give us their own judgment. They're saying at 17. 9 root score on top of the cooking of beans and plantain. What she do? Send her for presentation. 9 she fold in your hand. If you know say you feel impress our judges, you self feel join us. But we could hear waiting the second person win. This one at team red. Because the guy just look me while I say, waiting you feel do. We could hear.
So actually, the way my brother Kak stayed there since we didn't expect something, you know, serious from him. And I would say we've been not really there to impress with him. He's not really to impress us like that. But the food try is still sweet. Okay. But we believe saying go fit do, you know, better.
Okay.
So for presentation, we will give them 4.
Oh, no problem. Everybody now win as we talk. For the taste.
Then for taste, we'll give them 5.
Okay, no wala. That one make them 9.
Then for creativity, we'll give them 4.
Wow. That one make them 13. We don't get winner on top of the Chop Chop show. We win out today for the very first time. We don't get lady way hit on for the head. Say yes. Women know they talk too much. I know say you wait there, I was gonna say waiting. Women they talk. Yes, we they talk, but we they talk the one way makes sense. That's why today, Roots Team Black. Now she make us proud on top of the Chop Chop. Congratulations to you. All right, so my people, now so we take carry come out on top of this segment of beans and plantain. Make you meet us again next week where we go do another one as it's supposed to do. Nigerian food, now that food where they bring us together. Hausa, Igbo or Yoruba, we all now family. When I buy Gary.